12 Great Ideas for How to Make Money on Discord. According to Discord, over 140 million people use the service monthly. That's a lot of potential customers and a lot of potential revenue. So, how do you make money on Discord? Discord has something to offer if you're a developer looking to sell your wares, a streamer, or a content creator wanting to monetize your fanbase. So if you want to earn some cash on this growing platform, keep watching. What is Discord? Discord is a chat app with millions of users. This simple-to-use app can be accessed on any device. Discord also allows for voice and video chatting, which makes it perfect for gaming, streaming, or just general chatting with friends. While Discord was initially created for gamers, it has since been adopted by a wide variety of users, including businesses, artists, and more. How to make money on Discord. There are a few different ways that you can make money on Discord. We'll go over some of the most popular methods below. 1. Sell products or services. One of the easiest ways to make money on Discord is to sell products or services to users. You can also create a shop on your Discord server using a service like Shopify or WooCommerce. This allows you to sell physical or digital products directly to your Discord users. Decide what you're going to sell. To sell products or services on Discord, you first need to decide what you will sell. Some of the top things to sell on Discord include artwork, physical products, digital services, courses, software. If you're selling merchandise, you'll want to choose an easy-to-use platform with a wide range of products you can sell. Some of the most popular platforms are Redbubble, TeePublic, and Zazzle. Set up a way to accept payments. You can accept payments for products or services in several ways. The most popular method is through PayPal, but you can use Stripe, Square, or alternative payment processors. Offer premium features. If you have a Discord server, you can offer your users premium features in exchange for a fee. This could include additional emotes, custom server badges, or bigger file uploads. You can also offer access to exclusive channels or content for paying users. To start offering premium features, you first need to decide what those features will be. Think about what would be most valuable to your users and what they'd be willing to pay for. 3. Sponsorships. You can receive sponsorship deals from brands and businesses if you have a large following on Discord. Sponsorships usually involve promoting a product or service on your Discord server or social media channels. You can also be sponsored to attend events or to wear branded merchandise. As a Discord influencer, you have the unique opportunity to get paid for advertising products and services on your server. Unlike traditional social media platforms such as Twitter or Instagram, Discord lets you directly target your audience with laser-focused precision. And best of all, you don't have to sell any products or services to get paid. Simply running the ads is enough. To get started, simply reach out to brands or businesses that you think would be a good fit for your server. Once you've established contact, work out the details of the advertisement, what length of time it will run for, what products or services will be promoted, etc. Finally, agree on a price and start running the ads. It's that simple. And unlike other forms of online advertising, you don't have to worry about clicks or impressions. Offer consultation services. You can offer consultation services to businesses and individuals if you're an expert in a particular field. This could involve providing advice on marketing, product development, technical assistance, or any other area you know about. Make your server for paid members only with server subscriptions. If you want to make some serious money off of Discord, then making your server paid only is the way to go. Server subscriptions can be a great way to monetize a Discord server that offers unique and valuable content. Setting up a paid server with LaunchPass. Creating a paid Discord server is easy with LaunchPass. Simply follow these steps. 1. Create your Discord server. 2. Connect and activate your LaunchPass account to begin your trial. 3. Connect your bank to receive payment. 4. Create, publish, and share your paid Discord server. Creating your server. First, you'll need to log into your Discord account. Once logged in, click the plus button to create a new server. Give your server an appealing name and select the region where you want it to be located. After that, click Create. Next, you'll be taken to your new server's dashboard. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your server, from adding channels and roles to changing the server's settings. To add channels, click on the Text Channels or Voice Channels heading in the left sidebar. From there, You can either create a new channel or import an existing one from another server. Connect LaunchPass. Now that your server is set up, it's time to connect your LaunchPass account. This will allow you to start your free trial and set up your paid server. To connect LaunchPass, head to LaunchPass and click the Sign into Discord button in the top right corner. Then select your server from the drop-down and authorize the connection. Start LAUNCHPASS trial. 1. Click on Billing in the upper right corner of the screen. 2. Click the Start Your Free Trial button on the next page. 3. You will then be prompted to set up a way to receive payments. 4. To start, you'll need to create a Stripe account. 5. Once you have your Stripe account, you can connect it to LaunchPass by clicking on the Settings tab and selecting Stripe account. 6. You'll be prompted to enter your Stripe account information and authorize LaunchPass to access your Stripe account. 7. You can also choose to connect your bank account directly to LaunchPass by clicking on the Link Your Debit Card tab. 8. If you choose to connect your bank account, you'll be prompted to enter your routing number and account number. 9. You're all set. Now you can start receiving payments for your subscriptions through LaunchPass. Create your paid group OR channel. You must create a new offer to create a paid group in LaunchPass. Go to the Offers tab on your account and click the Create Offer button. You will then be prompted to give your offer a name and description. Next, you will need to set the price. You can choose a flat rate or set it up so that members are charged monthly. Once you've chosen the price, you will need to specify the duration of the offer. You can choose from 1 day up to 1 year. Now it's time to set up the details of your offer. Under Type, you will need to select Paid Group or Paid Channel. The main difference between a paid group and a paid channel is that members of a paid group have access to the entire server, while members of a paid channel have access to a private channel. The next step is to specify members' roles when they join. You can choose from any of the available roles on your server. If you want members to have a specific role, you can choose that role from the drop-down menu. The final step is to add a message displayed in Discord when someone joins your server. This can be used to let members know about the rules or expectations for your server. That's it. Your paid server is now ready to go. Discord is all about creating valuable communities. Discords are where raging fans hang out to discuss their favorite topics, show off their knowledge, and connect with like-minded people. By creating a Discord community, you can bring together people from all over the world who share your passion for your topic. Not only will you be able to create a vibrant and active community, but you'll also be able to offer value to your members that they can't find anywhere else.